What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we are unboxing the Samsung Note 20 5G. Yep, there's no Ultra, this is just the 5G. Now before we get into the unboxing, I'm sure there's going to be one person or maybe a few people that'll ask, why didn't you get the Ultra? I mean, the Ultra has the glass back, the Ultra has the expendable memory card slot, so on and so forth. So the answer is simple. You didn't get it for me. Now that we've gotten that out the way, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing here. We'll need to go through and cut these seals, so let me do that real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the box. This time the box don't troll me, which is good. As you can see, there's the phone right there, and then inside the box, I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of videos, but this will have the booklets, the SIM ejection tool, things of that nature. And then, let's see, let's lift up the tab here. We'll put that to the side, bumpy cam, sorry about that. You'll have some more, I guess, stuff here. There's a SIM card right there, and then you can see that there's the fast charger, and there's a cable in here too as well. And that's pretty much what you're going to get into the box. But let's set that aside and let's take a look at the actual phone. Now this phone, okay, let me tell you the story about me and notes. So a good chunk of the reason, like 99% of the reason why I went with this one was because of the price. I have not had a Note since the Note Edge, and if some of you don't remember what that Note Edge is, just go to YouTube while you're here and just do a search for Note Edge, and you can see how old that phone was. So I haven't had a Note device since then, and it wasn't really financially feasible for me to justify an extra what is it, $300 I think? Yeah, $300 to jump back into the Note. Now this phone is $999 plus tax, so I'm pretty sure you're just like, hey man, you know, it's $1,000, it's $300, it's only a $300 difference. You paid $1,000. Well, no, I didn't pay $1,000, and I'm not going to get into the logistics of how fat the deal was that I got on all of my Samsung stuff, but I will say this, the price that I paid for this phone, for the buds, for this Tab X6, for this watch together was a ridiculously low price. Let's just put it to you that way. If you go to Samsung.com, you can sign up for the employee referral or the employee program. There's discounts for specific industry workers, and my company is a part of that, so I got a discount off of that. Plus I got trade-in discounts, and I did sell some other old tech that I just wasn't using to help get all of this stuff. So that's pretty much the main reason why I got this. Plus I wanted to get back into the Note because I missed the S Pen. But let's get back into the phone. The phone is just it's alright, like it has a good weight to it. Let's go ahead and peel this plastic off. Oh, does this have a built-in screen? No. I was about to say. And there it is, in all of its glory, its Samsung glory. This is the plastic back, and again, this one does not have the memory card slot. It also does not have the refresh rate of what is it, 120? This has a 60 megahertz refresh rate. Again, that refresh rate is not going to really mean a hill of beans of difference to me, because I get phones for functionality, and I need, you know, something to work. As long as I can see it, my eyes are happy, so that means that I'm happy. So normally with these types of phones, I will have a glass screen protector that I'll put on here, or I'll get that later because I don't have it tonight. Let's just check out that S Pen. Yeah, that bad boy is clean. That is clean. Put that back in there. And that clicky noise. I wish, well, you know, we're not going to even get into that. But it has that clicky noise, and then it just has, you know, you've seen this in all the videos before, how it looks. It has a good weight to it, but I did get a case. Now this case is from ESR. It just says, well, I'm sorry about that washing out, but it just says protective phone case. So I'm going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. And shout out to everybody that's just getting new tech all together. I know 2020 has been a year and a half, and just being able to get any type of tech, doesn't matter what it is a plus in my book. So there you go. Now I just opened this case, and I'm sorry I keep hitting that camera, but it says ESR prize draw, win a new iPhone. Well, yeah, not really caring about that. But let me show you the case. This is a TPU case with a stand. So it's a clear case with a stand. Now I know on Samsung's website, I believe they have a case that's just like this. Of course, I didn't pay the price that Samsung's charging for that case. But let's go ahead and throw this in here just to see how it looks. Yeah, I like it. And it has a kickstand, so you can just kind of pull that kickstand out. You can set the phone up like this. I believe you can set it up. Yep, you can set it up like that as well. So if you don't have like your laptop or your tablet and you want to view some stuff, then you'll be good to go. But there you have it, folks. This has been a rather quick unboxing of the Samsung Note 20 5G, the non-ultra edition. Now, you know, there's a lot of videos out. You know, you can see all the openings of whatever as far as the phone itself, but I just wanted to put this quick video in here because there's not that many. I mean, obviously there's way more ultra video opening or video unboxings than there are the standard ones, but the standard one is no slouch. If you are on the fence, or if you feel pressured that you have to buy the Note 20 Ultra, don't feel the pressure. You get what you like. You get what you know, what you want to get. Because at the end of the day, no one can tell you what you should get other than yourself. Always remember that. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch this video. You are a part of the official fam, and if you're not a part of the official fam, it's easy to do. Just click on the subscribe button so you're subscribed, and then click on the notification bell and select all after you do so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Hopefully I'll have another video dropping this week, but until then, thanks for watching the video. Have a safe one, be safe, and we'll see you later.